Good evening, everybody. My name is Anais Pasakira, and this is my lesson plan. The topic is sustainability, and it is for Year 4 students in an international school. The objectives of the lesson is to talk about sustainable development and to understand what are the problems, to describe what is air and water pollution, and to give ideas on how to reduce pollution. So on the side of the students, they need to understand that there is a problem and to start thinking about solutions to reduce it. And also at the end of the lesson, they are going to design a poster to share ideas on how we can help. This is how my lesson plan looks like. I will start with a warm-up. This is basically a brainstorm of ideas to share what is it that they know or they don't know about the topic. Then I will introduce the topic by first showing these pictures to them so that they can see actual pictures from water and air pollution, and we will describe each picture, talking about what's happening, and we will talk about what are the problems that we are facing in our planet and that we need to talk about sustainable development in our city but also in our school. Then I will show them a video on YouTube, basically to make them aware of how our planet has been growing so much that it's basically now polluted everywhere. So they need to come up with 3 ideas to solve the problem or to help to solve the problem. And after sharing the ideas, they start designing the poster. They are going to use cardboard and color pencils to design the poster. And the idea is that they choose one of the 4 topics here to work on the poster. So they can choose from saving energy, saving water, reducing waste, or protecting nature. After choosing one of the topics, they can easily design their poster with their ideas and then share with the class. At the end of the lesson, we are going to share ideas on how we can improve our school to make it more environmentally friendly. And we are going to decide together how we are going to present these ideas to the environmental committee of the school so that they can start checking how to put these ideas into practice. For homework, they are going to do a water activity at home with their parents in order to think of ideas to reduce water, and then they will come up with ideas the next day. And that's it. Basically, the idea is that at the end, students understand that there is a problem, and the problem is not just about the planet but also in our school, so that they can start thinking about how we can really help and reduce, recycle, reuse, and all that information that we need to make them aware of. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching.